Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. We're looking at a 2007 Dodge Ram 3500 dually. Customer came in, said that the truck had been making quite a bit of noise, seemed like it got louder the faster they drove it, that the steering wasn't quite as responsive as it had been, a little unsure that the vehicle was acting the way it should. We told him to go ahead and bring it in. We'd be happy to take a look at it. We brought the vehicle in and immediately noticed that the driver's side front wheel was leaned in quite a bit. We went ahead and jacked it up, noticed a massive amount of play in that side of the vehicle, pushing up and down on the wheel. As you can see from the video, that there's quite a bit of movement in that area. We noticed that the wheel bearing had basically disintegrated. You can see from the pictures here where the bearings should be, and those types of things are completely missing. They had obviously driven the vehicle way too far and caused a catastrophic failure. We've got a picture of the new bearing here just to let you know what those surfaces should look like and how yours should act. So if you're noticing a loud rumbling noise or anything like that that seems to get louder when you speed up, give us a call. We'd be happy to go for a ride with you and kind of try to assess the situation and get a plan for you to get that taken care of. Please feel free to give us a call if you have any questions or concerns regarding these issues, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.